Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are performing redox reaction. What Baba? Redox reaction. Yeah. Any one of you know that what is redox reaction? It is a reaction in which reduction as well as oxidation occurs. So today we are performing blue bottle experiment that exists on the reduction as well as the oxidation. The chemical that we will use today is the potassium hydroxide. This is used as the oxidizing agent. For what purpose, Baba? Oxidizing agent. And we will use glucose that is used as for the reducing agent. That is used for the reducing agent. Two chemicals. One is the potassium hydroxide that we will use for the oxidizing agent, and the glucose that we will use for the reducing agent. And we have the indicator. Blue methylene. What, Baba? Blue methylene. Blue methylene is an indicator that tells us about the reaction is either shifting to the oxidation state, either reduction state. Okay, let's perform this experiment. To prepare this solution, we need 250 ml of the water. So we have the measuring cylinder of 250 ml. We have to fill 250 ml with the distilled water. Okay, Baba. Now we have 250 ml of distilled water. Now we need to measure 8 grams of our oxidizing agent. That is the potassium hydroxide. So, Baba, you come here and measure 8 grams of the potassium hydroxide with spatula.
So perfect 8 grams.
Yeah, Baba. So we have 8 grams of potassium hydroxide. Now what we have to do, we have to pour 250 ml of distilled water in a cylindrical flask. I am using funnel, and by slowly I am pouring the water. Okay, Baba. Now the next thing is that we have to dissolve our oxidizing agent in this solution. So I will add these 8 grams of potassium hydroxide in this cylindrical flask.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, Baba.
Sir, can we put sodium hydroxide instead of potassium hydroxide?
Yeah, Baba. We can use any chemical that is an oxidizing agent. Potassium hydroxide is an alkaline base. Okay, this is the cork and we will cap it, and now we need to shake it to dissolve. Baba Sieb, come here and shake it until it is dissolved. Take this. While you are dissolving it, you will consider that the bottom of this container will become hot. It will explain that the reaction that is happening here is actually exothermic. What, Baba? Exothermic. In the exothermic reaction, bottom is always our container is always the heated, Baba. Now we need to measure 10 grams of the glucose. So you come here, Baba, and measure exactly 10 grams of glucose. Okay, Baba. So we have 10 grams of our glucose, that is the reducing agent. Is it dissolved, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now our oxidizing agent is already dissolved. Now we will add our reducing agent in our oxidizing agent. Okay, Baba, I have added glucose and now we need to mix it well. So, Baba, now redox reaction is happening. What, Baba? Redox reaction is happening, but we are unaware to find out because we don't have any indicator to find out either it is happening oxidation reaction or it is happening reduction reaction. So, we always use the indicator to find out either it is happening oxidation reaction or it is reduction reaction. For this experiment, this reaction we will use methyl orange. So, I will add 5 to 7 drops of methyl orange. The concentration of methyl orange is 1%. With the help of dropper, I will add 5 to 7 drops. Okay, Baba, I have added.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yeah, Baba, sure.
Why we are using the blue method?
Baba, blue methylene is the indicator and we mostly use it for the redox reaction because when there is oxidation occurring, the blue methylene color is blue, and when the reduction is happening, its color is the colorless. So it actually identifies the when the reduction is happening and when the oxidation is happening. So shake it a little bit and place it. Baba, we have added the blue methylene in our solution. Can you tell me the color of the solution? It is colorless. What, Baba? It is colorless. So when blue methylene is added in any redox reaction, if the color is colorless, it means the reduction is happening. What, Baba? If blue methylene is added into the solution of the redox reaction and color is colorless, it means the reduction is happening. What will happen if I will oxidize this solution? How can I oxidize this solution? By mixing it, because the oxygen is present in this powder, Baba. And if I will mix it well, the solution will oxidize. And when the oxidation will occur, what will be the color of blue methylene? Blue. So let's see. We have the colorless solution and now we are going to mix it. So what is the color of solution, Baba? Blue. Why it is blue? Because the blue methylene present in it is actually oxidizing. It is actually oxidizing. It is. Now you see it is again colorless. So the both reactions are taking place in the same solution. Reduction and oxidation. Reduction is happening when the solution color is the colorless, and oxidation is happening when the solution color is the blue. With the help of blue methylene, we were able to find out when oxidation is happening and when reduction is happening. If the solution color is blue, means oxidation is happening. And you will see the starch is again reducing and the color is becoming the colorless. So, if you have any question regarding this experiment, you can ask Baba.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, Baba.
Sir, why did that solution become colorless?
Baba, it is becoming colorless because we have used starch as a reducing agent, and we know that when blue methylene is reduced, it becomes colorless. So starch is actually reducing this methylene blue and our solution is becoming colorless. Is there any other question, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Baba.
Sir, why we use this glucose, sir?
Why we use?
This glucose.
Because glucose is a reducing agent and we always need a reducing as well as oxidizing agent for the redox reaction. Is there any other question, Baba?